In this video, I install off-road lights on my second-gen Honda CR-V, so stay tuned to see how. What's up guys, this is JDM for All, and we are back for another exciting video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to say thank you to everyone for all of the support. Today we're going to be installing off-road lights on my Honda CR-V, and this should be a really fun video. It's been a while since I installed aftermarket lights on a vehicle, so this is going to be really fun. Alright guys, so if you guys saw the last video, I only had one of these mounts because I ordered it and then realized that the package only came with one, but now I have two. Okay, so we have two mounts finally, guys, and basically we have two off-road lights and two mounts. These lights came together for just over $15 on eBay, and they look like they'd be pretty good quality. I also got these mounts on eBay. They were about $12 each. They look like they work really well. They are magnetic, so hopefully they do hold these lights really well. These also have rubber at the bottom, so they shouldn't scratch the paint or anything either, so that's really good. But they do look like they will hold really well, at least against wind or anything. I mean, someone could pull them off, but I doubt that will happen. So yeah, I'm really happy about this, guys. I'm definitely excited to get these mounted. I'm going to test fit these first and figure out where I want them, and then we'll wire them up. Alright guys, so this is a roundabout where I want these. I could put them on the inside right here, but I think they might look better on this side. They do lean a little bit, but that really doesn't bother me. I probably will aim them in a little bit more as well, but the good thing about these is that I can relocate these anytime. I could put them on the fender if I wanted to. That's the awesome part about these magnetic mounts. So, I don't know. I think they look pretty good. Obviously, I could move them a little bit. But for the most part, I'm liking the look of these guys. They definitely do look good. So don't mind the hood, guys. Look out for the video. I will be fixing this very soon. This really does bother me. And yeah, doing this video with the hood looking like that really bothers me. Alright, so let's pop the hood so we can start wiring these right now. Okay, so let's pop the hood, but I do want to lift it slowly because I want to make sure that these do not interfere with the windshield or anything. So let's go. Alright, here we go. Okay, so these definitely do not interfere. That's very good. I don't want these to damage the windshield or, I don't know, break or anything, so... Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is setting up the grounds. I'm probably going to ground off of this fender and see if that works. Not exactly sure if it will, but it should. So I'm going to loosen this bolt on both sides, break it, and basically I'm just going to get that first wire in on both sides and try to ground it there. And then I will run a power wire from this wire over to the next light and then into a switch. Alright, so now both of these wires are grounded. It's not the best ground. I will probably fix this later, but right now I just want to get all of this set up. So these are grounded on both sides, as you can see here. Boom. Okay, so now I'm going to run a power wire from this light to the next light, and I will also use electrical tape and tape them off. Okay, so these are connected. All they need is some electrical tape, and I'm doing the same on the other side, so I'm going to wrap it up with electrical tape real quick. Alright guys, so basically this is the ugly switch that I have. I'll probably switch it out later. This thing is ugly and it's huge. So I think I'm going to mount this something like that. That way it's just hidden, and I'm going to use double-sided tape and just stick it up there just so it's there. So I already have one wire wired and plugged in, and this one is the one that's going to go to the fuse, but first I'm just going to wire it to the battery and just unplug it for now until I get the fuse. And then I have the other plug right here, and this is the one that is going to the lights. So I'm going to plug that one in right here, and then I'm going to use some double-sided tape and just stick it up right there. I have some 3M tape. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this because it's really thick, but yeah, I was thinking about just using it right there and just hiding it down here so it's hidden, because this switch is super ugly. So I'll show you guys what I did when I'm done with this whole setup. Alright guys, so this is basically it. It is hidden. If you can see here, there's the wire setup, and here's how it looks. It is not the best looking setup. I will probably change it later, but for now I really just want to get these lights up because I do want to go off-roading. So basically, that's it, guys. Super hidden, kind of like a kill switch. Awesome. Up is on, down is off. Super easy, just like a light switch, so I cannot get confused just in case it's daytime or something. So I'm going to run all of this wire back up there into the battery and test it out for you guys, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to run this wire back up through this fender, and then I'll clean these wires up probably and hide them a little better. Not sure, but I do need to do something with these wires. It doesn't look that bad, and it really isn't a big deal, but I do like everything cleaned up. So I'm going to run this to the battery through this fender, and then we'll be back. Alright guys, so everything is basically wired. I am going to clean these up and put them somewhere better, or at least hide them, but the wire to the battery is through the fender right now. And what I did was I had it come through the fender right here. It goes underneath, all right here, comes through here, goes through there, and then it's down here. I'll probably zip tie it up somewhere, and then I have it right here. About to be connected to the battery. I am going to be putting a fuse somewhere in between the battery and the switch, but for now I'm just going to be testing it. So I am going to tighten this down and test it, and then I will be back. Alright guys, so everything is set up and grounded, and I have electrical tape on all the spots that need it. This wire runs all the way over through these and through these little clips that I guess hold this insulation. And it basically goes all the way across. By the way, this engine bay is super dirty. I will be cleaning this up soon, so don't mind that. It goes all the way across right here where it runs to this light, and then this light is grounded, and then there's another wire that runs straight out to the switch, and the switch has another wire coming out of it through the fender right here, all the way down through here, and then down to the battery. So it's time to test it out, guys. And basically this is temporary. I will be getting a fuse so the battery is not connected straight to the switch inside and the lights. Alright guys, so it's time to test it out, guys. I am so excited. Alright guys, I am so excited. It's time to test these out. Let's see how they work. I hope it works. I really do. They work. They work. Oh, they actually work really good. It is bright outside, guys. It is super bright out here. And yeah, these look super bright. Okay, so I am definitely excited. I'm definitely happy about this, guys. They look great. Okay, so let's check down here, make sure there's no grounding or anything. So I once ran fog lights on my Civic and I had to ground, and it literally burnt the whole wire all the way to the battery. And yeah, that was not good. So no smoke, no sparks. This is a good thing. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be cleaning these terminals on the battery because these are bad too. This car definitely needs a little bit of love, but yeah, seems to be looking really good, guys. Alright, so I'm definitely happy about this, guys. Look at that. Oh, that just looks good. I have to say that these came out better than I thought they would. They look so good, and the nice thing is, I can literally run these anywhere. That is so nice. So I have to adjust these, and basically, I like where they are, but I do have to adjust them because these little Allen wrench spots are loose, so I could mount it anywhere, up or down. So yeah, basically these are done, guys. I am super excited. I'm going to wait until it gets a little darker, and then I will face them exactly how I like them and aim them down probably, and more centered maybe? I don't know. I'm definitely excited about this though. This is definitely going to help in the evening when I'm off-roading, but also they do look cool too. They really do look cool. Alright guys, well I am definitely happy about this. I am super happy about this, guys. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. If you guys aren't already, please do not forget to subscribe. It helps me out a lot, guys. So look out for more Honda CR-V videos, guys. I have a lot more off-road build videos and off-roading videos coming. I will be doing an off-road video very soon, in the evening, at night, anytime now. Now I can off-road anytime, and my headlights were okay, but now, with these off-roading lights, I could definitely off-road all night. This is awesome. Alright guys, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys on the next video.